Hey, Ryan Fritz here with Science of Cardio, talking to you about thermal stress. So this is going into a hot room, maybe doing hot yoga or a sauna or steam room, increasing your core body temperature, maybe a hot tub. And then on the other side of the spectrum with thermal stress is like a cold shower, an ice bath, jumping into a freezing river or going to the ocean that's really cold. Again, kind of cool environments or cold, freezing environments, creating shivering. Both of these have very taxing stresses on our nervous system and kind of our metabolism. So kind of food for thought, check out and try maybe some of those modalities. Again, one side is the cold, cryotherapy, ice bath, cold shower. The other side, sauna, hot tub, steam room.